Friends, welcome to another day of backtesting until I am profitable. This is day 180 of backtesting until I am profitable. Today was a good trading day, even though I lost some money, but it's okay. I'm liking it so far. It's looking fine. It's like, even though it's a loss, but I'm learning from it. I'm seeing what to change. I know God has the best for me in this, and I'll keep pursuing it. So without delay, let's get started with today's trading. Okay, backtesting. What's this one? 2025 to date. Okay, we are in some kind of consolidation range. I'd like to see it drop here and continue lower. So I'd like to see, continuation to the low. Right, so drop retracement. Well, the 4 hour doesn't have any gap or something like that. I mean, it could, start distributing higher, but then the 1 hour is looking real good with this. Good run on the highs though. Yep, and I'm recording. So run on London highs here. I feel like price could as well hit the highs, but these lows here. Let's just open was interesting. Okay, now we've got an SMT at those highs. ES is close to this one here. Now when it should, let's check the 1 hour. Ooh, this thing clean. Okay. Okie, this is great. I think this is great. And then if you hit the 1 hour, I mean, this SMT is really strong. I'd like to see these lows here. Let's see. It's a 15-minute low. It's not that far, my opinion. Over 68, that's 7. Probably break even at this low here. Probably the 5 minute though. There's a fair bit of gap, so Ooh, good move, good move. Come on, bro, come on. This was at like 1.7 something. And this to me looks like it's holding. Should I hold this? Let's just see. I get kicked in the nuts. Hit the daily. Yep, yesterday ended up being bullish. So this thing here, this too hard. Great. SMT there. Crazy SMT there. That's a crazy drop. This is insane. Now let me check the 1 hour. This low here was run. It's looking extremely bearish. I can't just trust it just because of this inversion. Now we get a retracement into the favorite gap, but yes, shoots far than NQ does. And then we get this inversion here. Yeah, drop retracement into the gap and then the inversion. So you think we can take some sells? I mean, I don't think there's a reason the sells wouldn't continue. Something like this. $3.4. Break even at this slope, by the way. This is another break even because break even was at the gap. Get kicked again. Still bearish. So then their low gets run out fast. The Asia lows. Bro, that's insane. And then right there we get the inversion. Oh, this relatively equal highs will be suspect. 937. Let's see if this entry can be a good frame. I feel the terminal looks better. If my stop happens to be there. Right there. Over 154. That's 3. Now wait and wait, 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 and then we get some consolidation. Bro, what kind of movement is this? And after target gets hit, it continues higher, which is fascinating. And what will the draw be? Like, I wouldn't have a draw here. What will the draw be? Bro, alright. Which day moved the most? So a 10, good move, retracement. Ooh, the PM was slick. Right, so here we've inversed this 4 hour, which prompts us that we could be bullish. This high, this 4 hour gap here is suspect. Checking the 1 hour. Don't have any big retracement. Retracement here. Small 1 hour gap here with some relatively equal lows. 15-minute low. Okay, crazy open. The low gets run immediately. And right there, the terminal, we have an inversion, but then it's really far. But if we played by the rules, then this, oh, actually 40 handles isn't that much. 40 handles targeting the 4 hour. Let's see, 933. Hi. So it's 500 over 80, giving me 6 micros. But then I feel like this is some open volatility, because like we're regressing to the 1 hour gap, which means it is some bro, yuck. Okay, This shouldn't be a pretty take. Shouldn't be something I should take. Like the first 5 minutes are a trap. Shouldn't take this. Mm-mm. So, how crazy it be ripping to the Asia lows, bro. Retracement into this gap here. 4 hour. Okay, that's okay. Okay. The trading today will be insane. Low here and so the next daily low will be here. So this was a retracement into a daily gap, then price continues lower. And now we're retracing to a 1 hour gap here. Check the 1H, you can see now the gap here is something I'd like to see get inversed. This one here. Ooh. So now we've got this sweep. Ooh, 100 point stop loss. Nah, let's just leave it. can see how this high here stayed intact like this. Well, this here would get stopped out, but if you do this, let's see, would it even offer to this? Okay, now it's retracement into 15 minutes here. Okay, let's see, does it get inversed? Now we get this inversion here. Let's see this position. Craziest month of the year. New York AM. Oh, actually we're now in March. Let's check this here. Okay, bro. Down to point something or March so far is break even. These daily highs will be good to bits. Let's see. Can't predetermine anything here. 4-hour retracement to this gap here. These highs here ran. More bearish signs are showing instead. I think it's gonna go lower. This low here gets run right at the open and then get this inversion. When I check the 1 hour, you can see it's inverting in the 15-minute, inverting of the 4 hour. There is no gap. 1 hour, no POI. 2 hour, no POI. So I will be forcing something here. And then we get yet an SMT here in the highs. There's no POI here, that's the thing. Wouldn't be confident with any setup inside here. And the 15-minute is not presenting anything at all. Now we've inversed this thing here with the sweep. No price leaves behind this gap. I think future is peaking today. But it's an FP week as well. Check the daily. Previous day was trying to be bullish. Previous daily low, got a market. Looks like the lowest hanging fruit here. We check the 4H, relatively equal high. We're still holding the same as this gap, which kind of gives me some conviction that we could be bearish versus this thing here. Okay, so let's see what happens. We're still in a it's pushing really hard. Okay, prices close to that high. I'd like to see that high get taken out, but I wonder why. Ooh, 4-hour gap. Bro. Okay, it's also a 4-minute inversion and a 5-minute inversion. So we could be hitting to that here, 15-minute sweep here. This here is a break even. I'd like to see it deliver even lower, maybe for 1.6 hour. 50 times 2, that's 100, so that's 500 over 10. Wait, 100. Yeah, 5. Shit. Wait, the candle hadn't closed yet. No, that's not fair. Candle just open. No. It was in a 5-minute inversion here. I'm not gonna trust it until it closes below. Well, here is where I'll go to break even. Closer to 1.2, 2.74. Then I sell. Quick PE. Come on, bro. Come on. This is the shit. Let's let it go. Don't get attached to anything at all. But yeah, it's showing some potential bullish moves. You can buy something here. checking the weekly. Let's see the next potential low. Oh yeah, it's March when the market had started to do a dump. Oh, insane. Next week we open then up to Friday. Just went into 15 minute up there. Checked into 1 minute. Well, didn't reach into this high here. After all, you put the blame on me. Looking at this inversion here. Right before lunch, you can see the graph gets hit. Like when you check the 15, tracement into the gap, 1 minute inversion here. So this is where I should take the entry. This here is where I should take it. But then 85 handles, bro. I think that's too much. But that was the amount that day was more than 500 over 82 times 2, 85 times 2. 7,500 over 170, that's 3. So I should have sold 3 right here. Right there, break even here. But why doesn't this thing have an auto break even feature? This is where TP gets hit. And the next day will probably be at 18,000 because this day was these days were really bearish. Now we could probably continue lower, so previous day low target and the weekly again. Weekly target here. What is this here? This one here. So here's also a potential target for the day. 4 hour, well, 1 hour retracement, just small gap there. Now good 1 hour gap though. Okay, low gets tagged. Come on, now 15-minute gap's getting filled. Oh, the 5-minute right there. It's okay. Now how big could this be? 33. 33. To target what? Previous weekly low? Previous? It's a daily low, not previous but daily low. Like to check a low hanging fruit as well. Six times 2, 500 over 72, 7. Good TP. Crazy DP. Crazy like moves. Draw, push, crazy. But you can see how good this gap got respected. You can see sweep, shift, retracement into this thing here. Whoa. Spread company was gonna go lower. Just looking for better inversion for which there is not. I'm gonna take this because of line shower. And next day. Go here. we can see retracement of 4 gap. Inversion of this 1 minute. This will be the lowest time group. I mean, this gap could also hold. Push right back into the 15 minute. And on this thing here. I think the 2 minute has a better inversion. So you can use this from here to here. 55 handles, reject the 1 hour. I'd like to see it reject. Sorry, it's the 4 hour. But then where would it be rejecting to the low? This here will be the target. I mean, I'd like it to be there. This here will be okay. And then we move to break even right here. 56 times 2. 500 over 112. That's 4. Ow. What news were there today? Trolls. Ooh, trolls. There's the S&P. So should I continue selling this, or I think we'll just let this go, because where else would I? Okay, probably an entry could present itself, but bro, this is so insane. Ho 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 ho. Let's remove this, it's no longer relevant. Now the 15 minute has nothing, literally nothing. Oh, there is the SMT, but there is no higher time than POI. This is we get a retracement into the gap and could continue higher, where I would probably stop at that high. The 4 hour, this gap here, so I'd like to see it get rejected and then continue lower. I'll be marking the lower hanging fruits as we go. Support price is looking okay. what happens at the open. We had some news on Wednesday, I think it was CPI or PPI, something there. Or unemployment rates. Sorry, inflation rate. I also saw that it does crazy stuff to the market as well. Come on. Right. That 15-minute high was left untouched, data high. And price drops to this low, while ES is at this one. I would honestly like to see a move to the upside. Move to data highs. Price is not providing any as of now. So with this hold, the 1 hour, why am I so interested in that high? Knowing that we have a PY here, just gonna let it pass. Stay away on the 15-minute, I mean something could form here. I mean, look, ooh, retracement into the 5-minute gap. Do we get one? No. Is there some relatively close there? I remove this. So that day ends up not being bearish. Depends if could be possibly bullish as well. Anything here could happen. I don't know why it's lagging though. We're still in this gap here though. Some would like to see lows play off. Good fair value gap. Another one here. These relatively close are smooth. Let's see what happens at the open. I think we'll probably set right later. Okay, now we open up. And there is some SMT. Then this wicks. It looks like that. What's it called? The first presented fair value gap is at 940. Now all the first targets I was looking for were hit. Just gonna wait for retracement, then sell it on an inversion. 15-minute retracement back higher. Okay, now wait to see if it holds. 15-minute, very beautiful move here. We sell it to here, to these lows. with stopping around 60 handles. So that's 500 over 120 for bro, look at this TP, man. Like, I'm patient to wait for this. It's just that this 5 minute gap will demotivate me. So I think I should change the way I move to break even. Probably move to break even after move it before that low here. Wait. So this here. Now here is where break even should come in, because now we're rejecting a 5 minute gap. Bro, these months were shit. Absolutely shit. Okay, why isn't it loading? March 1st to the last. Okay, 3 trades, 2 break evens. There's no gap here or something like this. There's nothing in my that's catching my attention here. There is no solid gap. Except if the high gets managed to get taken out. Asia highs were run, by the way. It's a good high there. ES has taken out the high there.
still recording?
You want the phone, right?
No. I want you to go to tell Hirwa to stop kubangamira mami ngo ndashonje kubera Albert aza gutuma mami yarura ifiriti mbere yuko igera aho turishakunda. Cyangwa reka mbwire mami bamuhe umuceri.
Yeah. No, this one has been on. And these days are really crazy. I think for hours we got this cup here. I'd like to see it get rejected to the downside. I'm gonna wait for 10. Daily here. So this cup here will be okay. There's nothing I'd like to see here. So there's this one I got created at the open. Checking the 15, bro. This is a crazy prop. I would have loved to see it go higher. bearish this day was. Oh, I'm gonna go through this the rest of the day. Thank you.